Electronic devices and systems are at the heart of modern technology that drive our everyday lives in various industries. This ranges from smartphones to medical devices to telecommunications.
This program generally focuses on practical skills. Key area of study often include electronics theory, circuit analysis, digital electronics, and troubleshooting techniques.
Our 2-year Technician Diploma program and the 3-year Advanced Diploma programs prepare students to work in development, testing, troubleshooting, and maintenance of various electronic devices and systems.
At Humber, there's this great balance between theory and practical. We have at our disposal a lot of equipment for that. We have oscillators, multimeters, we have 3D printers, we have devices that can print PCB boards.
Some of the courses I'm taking are related to coding and the different coding languages. You start with C, move to C++, and then you move into the hardware languages. I'm really looking forward to my capstone because I'll be able to apply the signal processing concepts I've learned while I actually get hands-on practice making speakers and doing tests.
What makes us stand out is our student-centric approach and a supportive learning environment. And it's not all about courses and classes. Students can engage in a variety of experiences such as applied research projects, competitions, workshops, clubs, and various interactions with the industry and professional community.
So if you're passionate about electronics and you're ready to put in the effort, you're going to enjoy the whole process. It's so much fun.